What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna and this is Arianne. We are the Dragonfly Dancers. Today we're going to teach you how to do one of our favorite pass-offs, and it is called the Partner Buzzsaw Pass-Off. It looks like this. The Partner Buzzsaw Pass-Off is a really fun way to incorporate flow with a partner. And so how we're gonna start, you need to know how to do the buzzsaw. So you can find that linked above. So we're just gonna be going like this with a buzzsaw, 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, letting the Flowstar touch the back of your hand as you pick it back up. And Arianne's just gonna come in and she's gonna come pretty close. We're gonna get into position and I'm gonna stall it and then I'm gonna flick it. So when I flick it, my flicking hand is pretty much up in the air. You kind of have to get that momentum going for your partner to continue the buzzsaw on their own. So flick. The receiving partner should have their hand open at the bottom, which is going to make it easier for them to get the Flowstar from the passer. So find a partner and get to flowing with the Buzzsaw Pass-Off. Take as much time as you like getting the feel of it. It never comes easy on the first try. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing.